The first time visited the site, we discovered a property surrounded by lush vegetation and an array of towering trees, creating a truly impressive environment. In that moment, it became apparent that designing the house should be a harmonious integration with its natural surroundings. The challenge was to create a building that respected the land, leveraging its inherent qualities. The site conditions provided an opportunity to develop a design for a house initially intended for 2 people. The owner's requirements were modest, a single bedroom without a need for a dedicated social space. However, a couple of additional spaces were added to the program to accommodate guests, allowing them to seamlessly become part of the house's activities in areas, gardens, terraces, and the porch. The architectural concept is organized into 4 levels: access, 2 guest bedrooms in the social area. This includes an open kitchen connected to the living room, dining room, and terrace. The goal is to create an open space that fosters a strong connection between the house and the surrounding nature. The main bedroom. Despite adhering to site regulations and incorporating typical materials, the house design successfully maintained a common language with the rest of the complex. Concrete volumes were balanced with elements of metal structure, resulting in a visually light interpretation. The treatment of the 5th facade involves a play of textures and functionality, providing insight into the construction and functional system, along with the texturalization and color. The materials range from traditional tiles to stones that mitigate sunlight, and solar cells were incorporated to power exterior lighting and the machine room. In essence, Casa AYG is an exercise in simplifying function, utilizing the site's natural resources, and camouflaging the construction to minimize its impact on the surroundings.